Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I definitely am looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and it definitely looks like we're in a wave 5. And even the wave 5 has 5 waves, so we may be getting close, or maybe have already ended a wave 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely had a pretty solid move to the downside on all yen pairs last week because of the intervention that they did at the CPI dollar news. We are at the 78%. We really do not have a breaker structure yet. We really do not have a lower high, so we can't say for sure that this move down is just going to be the continuation of the downtrend. I still think there is a possibility that this actually could pop up one more time before it really does end up continuing down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, definitely made a big push down. I personally have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, especially if we see like the end of a trend on sort of time frames, then I definitely am still going to go long. To me, it still looks like a 1, it still looks like a 2, still looks like it could be a wave 3, maybe even a wave 4, and maybe even go back up for a wave 5. But I am definitely primarily looking for shorts on sort of time frames because the daily time frame has broken structure down, so I am looking for shorts, but I am definitely keeping in mind that it may be a wave 4 correction to the uptrend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for shorts, but if this does do a nice solid breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, I definitely will stop looking for shorts and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I still suspect this could be a wave 4 and it may go back up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it kind of already looks like it made that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. 1, 2. This big spike is the 3, 4, and wave 5. So for me, if it starts to go up and starts to really break structure, especially if it breaks the wave 4 structure, then that to me is definitely going to make me stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again at the end of every pullback I see. I really do not trust this move down on all the yen pairs. The Bank of Japan has not been able to force the currency to go down yet, and I kind of doubt they're going to be able to do it this time either. If it really does just keep on going down, then definitely keep looking for shorts. Otherwise, keep an eye on your structure because if it does break to the upside, I'm definitely going to start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.